Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for the CTV USA, and here are the major headlines. Icy storms knocked out nearly half the wind power generating capacity of Texas as a rare deep freeze spread across the state. Rotating blackouts were enforced in the states to reduce demands on the electric system amid icy storms. The wind energy woes in Texas came as a bone chilling cold combined with snow, sleet, and freezing rain gripped much of the United States and the Pacific Northwest through the Great Plains and into the mid Atlantic states over the weekend. The city of Dallas received about 3 inches of snow, the highest accumulation since 2015. Other parts of the northern Texas received about 6 inches of snow. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has issued a disaster declaration for all the 254 state counties. Climate change activist Disha Ravi was arrested by Indian police for allegedly sharing a document intended to help farmers protest against new agriculture laws. Ravi was surrounded by police as she arrived at a court in New Delhi. Police alleged that Ravi tweaked the document known as Toolkit before sharing it on social media. It is believed that the document was first published online by global climate change activist Greta Thunberg, who shared it on social media. Protesters in Myanmar rallied for the release of ousted civilian leader and an end to military rule. Though crowds were smaller after the Janta Party deployed armored vehicles and more soldiers on the streets. Video footage showed demonstrators taking to the streets in the city of Mandela, banging dustbins in protest before running away from the security forces who were blocking the road. Security forces used rubber bullets and catapults against the demonstrators, wounding 2 people lightly. The government and army could not be reached for a comment. The 11-year-old tiger cubs that died in a Pakistani zoo last month appear to have died of COVID-19. The cubs died in Lahore Zoo on January 30th, 4 days after beginning treatment for what officials thought was feline virus, a disease that zoo locals said is common in Pakistan and targets cats' immune system. But an autopsy found the cubs' lungs were badly damaged and they were suffering from severe infection, while pathologists concluded they had died from COVID-19. Australia received its first COVID-19 vaccination deliveries and will begin rolling out in the coming weeks. Australia's delivery of 142,000 doses of the vaccine jointly developed by Pfizer Incorporation and Germany's BioNTech puts the country on track to start vaccinating its most at-risk workers, like those at quarantine hotels, before the rollout ramps up next month. The Eagle has landed, Health Minister Greg Hunt told reporters in Canberra. With just under 29,000 COVID-19 cases, 909 deaths since the pandemic began, Australia has escaped the high number of cases and deaths recorded by many developed countries thanks to border closures and lockdowns. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.